Guys, it is Wednesday, October 14th. So let's go ahead and get started. You have your 36th daily journal today, which is kind of a fun question. I want you to talk about if you could be an animal, which one would you be and why? So just kind of have fun and tell what you think you would choose if you could be an animal. And then the only other task you have for today is a little bit of creative writing. And this will springboard from what you did yesterday. Yesterday, you selected what you thought was your favorite reading from the term. You talked a little bit about why, and you specifically talked about what you liked in the writing. Well, now is when you want to use those ideas. Here's this assignment. So, as we said yesterday, you selected one of your favorite texts and you answered some questions about it. And you can use those ideas to help you answer and complete this assignment below. So here's the directions. I want you to write a piece of writing. So it could be a variety of things. It could be a poem, a story, an essay, a letter, etc. But a full-length piece of writing that's inspired by your favorite text from this 9 weeks. So you get to write something inspired by what you said yesterday was your favorite. Maybe your favorite was Jason Reynolds' story about the ingredients where the friends are walking around Brooklyn. Or maybe your favorite was the poem Theories of Time and Space, where Natasha Trethewey talks about what it means to go home. Or maybe your favorite was 11 by Sandra Cisneros, where Rachel is embarrassed on her birthday because of the whole sweater incident. Whichever one's your favorite, I want you to write a piece of writing that is inspired by that text. And there's a few ways you can do that. Here's some ideas to help you get started. First off, you should be creative and fun. Have fun with it, okay? Secondly, you could use the same style as your favorite story. So if it's a story, maybe you could write a story inspired by it. Or if it's a poem, maybe you write a poem, whatever. Thirdly, you could possibly copy or borrow ideas from the writing style. So if you notice something about the way it's written and you'd like to copy or emulate that, you can do that in your writing. All good artists start by trying out ideas other people have shown them. So you can do that. You can borrow ideas from the text, like perhaps you want to write a story about friendship because your favorite story was about friendship or whatever. And lastly, really, you can do anything that's inspired by the text as long as you complete the assignment. You'll write your work in a text box, so our usual way of doing things. Make it amazing. As far as length, shoot for like a half a page or so, but more so make it complete, whatever you think is complete. So obviously a complete poem is a different length than a complete story, etc. But that's your assignment for today. Taking these stories we've learned and now trying out our own writing inspired by it. We do this a lot in class in 8th grade, so I'm going to let you guys give it a shot online. If you have a question or something you need to ask, send me an email, use the question board. Otherwise, good luck, enjoy, and I can't wait to read your writing.